So here we have the BMW 116D on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off in the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that I've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the total mileage for the car. That's 70,079, as you can see. You can change information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control and speed limiter on the left-hand side. Over on the right-hand side, stereo controls, voice activation for your phone over here as well. And then into the centre, you'll find the main screen. So from on here, you can access your satellite navigation. This is BMW's business nav. Really nice, clear colour display, as you can see. All the movement I'm making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into those menus highlighted as well. But basically the dial can do everything. So you can go into a navigation menu, you can pair your phone, of course. When it comes to music in this car, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio. Under multimedia is where you'll listen to your own music. We have a CD player. You can also plug in external devices, so Bluetooth audio, USB input at the top there, and auxiliary input down the bottom of that bit. Working our way down from there, we have deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Hazard warning lights, of course, the main volume for the stereo and your CD player. And then the climate control. So you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, and the temperature, of course. The air conditioning is off at the moment. It's now on. Same button will turn it off again. Or you can activate the climate control element by pressing this button. The car will then take control of the fan speed to maintain this temperature for you. You can override that whenever you wish to. Below that, we have 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn off the traction control. We can also change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort and Eco Pro as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.